Good morning, guys. So you join us on day 3 of our camping trip up in Lincolnshire. I'm currently sitting in the car because it's quite windy. You've got Neil over there. I'm just going to get out and quickly show you the campsite. This is what we got. Neil.
Hi.
Nathan's little tent kind of covered in whatever they call it.
Tarp.
Car?
Tarp.
Oh yeah, tarp, yeah.
Not car, tarp.
No, car. There's a car there.
Mind the ropes.
Yeah, this is our tent. For only 2 people, it's quite huge.
We could technically get Nathan in here as well, if it is tent.
Well, we could technically fit 4 people in there, because we call this living room space, but it could actually fit 2 people there. And then, I'll quickly show you.
It's a bit of a mess.
Yeah, I apologise, but then you open this. You got the bedroom, which is pretty good.
And we had a really good night's sleep last night.
Shockingly. Yeah, that's and then we have the little alpacas over there. Oh, I say little, but
And there's sheep as well.
yeah, sheep somewhere. Yeah, this is the start of day 3. What are we doing today?
We're going to the UK Mega, which is the biggest geocaching meet in the UK. They do them all around the world. They do one in America, one in the UK.
They've got 2 this year, haven't they?
They've got 2. We are going to both. We're going to the UK Mega, which is today. And we're also going to...
Yeah, we've got one in Lincolnshire today.
Yeah, and then we've got for one in London, which isn't a full Mega. It's a
day.
It's a day. It's like a community celebration event, like what we're doing this evening.
And where is it?
That's in London.
Okay.
On Bank Holiday weekend.
Ooh, okay.
So.
And that should be fun, right?
Yeah, yeah, and obviously, if Jen goes that way, you'll be able to see the alpaca more.
Yeah, if we come this way, I'll get the view of the car and Neil. You've got, just in the distance, you can see one sitting down. And there's like 10 over there. You can see the sheep sitting down with the horns. This is the view we got. Yeah, we're gonna go for now though, because we're gonna go get some breakfast, aren't we?
We'll see you at the Mega.
Yeah, we'll see you there. We'll try and record at the Mega. And then we're going to show you around a little bit. It's quite busy today. Yes. Nice weather, finally. Let's go whichever way. Cool. Events down there. Oh, we have to go in this way. Right, let's record inside here. We'll do a bit of music. This is where the bar is. I was going to show him in there, but...
Except for this tune, obviously.
Music. Down there's all the different types of stalls for like trackables, any adventure labs if you know about that.
So guys, we are currently, like Jen says, we are at the Lincolnshire Mega. Jen's next to me. We're going to show you what they're all about, as you can see. We've got guys over here. The Mega Maker's behind us. Nathan's drinking his beer. Hey.
You got a wristband?
Oh, cheers.
Yep.
We've got
up the tables.
Yeah. That's for West Midlands Mega. Say
Yeah.
hi. Hi, print. Thank you. What signal? All the different geocaching stuff. That's Jen. Jen's there. You've got all your camo bags. Just filming for our YouTube channel. And then the little doggy. Hey, little doggy.
Aww, look how cute it is.
What's his name?
Oz.
Oz. Oz. Hello. Bless him.
This way. Is that where? On the strip raffle. Well.
With the original can of beans.
Kinda.
Oh, I don't know. You might go first, I'm sure.
Got the trackable table that's now more or less all gone.
Yeah, because people want to put them somewhere. We've got this little one. We've got a mini banana.
Mini banana.
Banana.
You've then got the Garmin's
What that is? Is that
for GPSs. Right.
We've got like all the coins, all the little key rings.
A very cute, another cute dog.
Very good.
I know.
And then like little medals.
You've got the London Calling event, which we'll be at. This event that we will be at in about 2 weeks' time, which is in London. So hopefully, hopefully we'll see you in 2 weeks' time at London Calling.
I can never see myself because his head on his own fits the whole camera, so I can't ever fit in.
But we should be at London Calling.
August 6th.
No, not August.
No,
6th.
sorry, that's the other one.
August 31st, August 28th.
Yeah, sorry, yeah, August 28th. Yeah.
Let's think of a date then.
Sorry, I got confused. It's already been the 6th today, so. There's also one in Milton Keynes.
Which is in 2023.
Yeah, 2023. Milton Keynes.
Hey, doggy. Hello. Hello. You been camera?
How do you do it virtual? It's a bit like a normal balloon race, only it's better.
You finding the cute dogs?
Yes.
And then we've just got this.
And then you've got the UK Cash Mag.
There's a lot of stuff here.
Right.
Quite busy today, but just that's pretty much it in here, really.
Yeah. We'll see
At the
you
moment, we will see you
in Lincoln.
soon. How amazing is that? Looks really nice.
Some people don't use it for the skin.
Wow, that's amazing. Look this way. Show you a little bit of the castle.
Thanks. It's over on this map. Oh, Paul.
Huh?
Hod Hall is the answer.
Right.
He's gonna stop.
What school would you believe that?
Are you serious?
Can you not do it? Then they can come and shot.
Hello guys, we're sorry we didn't finish off recording yesterday. We had a bit of a busy evening. It got really busy and then the camera battery got really low, so we thought we'd left it. But like we said before, we're putting all the days in together, so this will be day 4. I'm just going to quickly show you what we've got today. We've actually got cute alpaca feeding. So cute. It's adorable.
I mean, they went ballistic.
I'm just going to push her over to Neil so we can get closer.
I mean, you had to jump to even hold the top yesterday.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
They were like heads in it.
So Nathan's over there. Hey.
Yeah. We usually have the radio on the side. They come out 3 or 4 times a year. You know what I mean?
And there's baby.
Here and this and the other, you know what I mean? Come over and Lucy. Yeah, she's actually coming out.
Obviously I've got, hello. And you've got this one here.
That's Dawn.
This is Dawn. This is Mum. Dawn. And baby's just down there.
Denzel.
Denzel. Hey Denzel. Denzel.
Yeah, that's what it's for.
You've also got sheep down here as well.
This is Joshua. So this is Ollie himself.
Joshua.
Rocky.
I know.
This guy, because we started off with Ryan.
So I'm just gonna, you don't mind being on your hand on film, do you?
Just the fun of eating something.
Right, you're welcome. Cheers, lot, love. Thank you. Pardon? Yeah. About 9, 10 like that. The reason she ain't been sheared and all that, she's part of Surrey, which had a new shearing every 2 years, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Every other year, so it's down like ringlets. Ringlets like, yeah. And all we do is take the shear off the back.
Oh.
I think she's put it up here.
Yeah, when she looks at you, it's like through that.
Yeah, I'm gonna hand you back to Jen, just rather than get attacked by an alpaca or a sheep. Oh my god, you get attacked by an alpaca or a sheep. There at me. Still recorded.
I know. Oh well. Yeah, so that was pretty fun. But like I said, apologise, didn't do anything in the evening last night, but we're going to merge this day in. Today, I've heard we're going to Yorkshire, or East Yorkshire, I think it was. We get to go along the Humber Bridge. I'm just showing that we've finally got a gap. But yeah, so we're going to go along the Humber Bridge. I will record that in time lapse. But for now, we were going to get some breakfast and I will see you later. Okay guys, look how old this level crossing is. Very old. You have to like put it closed. There you go. Can hear the train.
And then you've got signal up and top. Behind you, up there.
Yeah, up there. Wow, that was so cool. Good afternoon guys, you catch us on our last day of camping. We've got Neil over there. We had a little bit of a stressful morning, didn't we? Trying to put all the camping gear away, especially trying to fold the tent up, being it's like a 4-person. Putting it all together, trying to put it in the car, and obviously I tried to record the first time we got out of the car, but didn't know the battery was dead. Typical. Oh, hello. Hi. Ow. He's attacking me. I can't. I'm going to drop it. Ah! Jeez. What was that about? But yeah, it's kind of funny when you put all the gear in the car when you first leave your house. It sits in all nicely and perfectly, yet when you leave nothing ever seems to fit back in the same way it did before. So yeah, we had a bit of trouble with that, and like I said, I'm recording quite late because where the camera was sitting in the car, it just kind of died on its own, so I had to swap it over. Hi. Exactly. Nathan's up there in front, you can just see a little white dot. Yeah, this is our last day. We're just going to do a few more caches again for geocaching, and then later on we've actually booked for a hotel that's sort of closer to home, just so we can get a night's sleep and so we can get rested up before we have how long is it from the hotel, do you think, to home?
About an hour and a half.
That's not bad. Did he go this way? Yeah, so we're just gonna go for a little walk, and we'll be back later. We made it! Hello! Finally made it! 1 bed, 2 bed, hello, 3 beds. Hi. You're so awkward.
Not awkward. Do my thing.
Oh, I don't think people want to hear that.
Hey, not like that.
Seems alright.
You alright with that?
At least it's by the wall.
Right.
The view ain't that great either. It's just a view of flipping benches. Now time for dinner. Hey guys, so we finally made it back from Neal's. We one hell of an amazing holiday. The weather was a bit naff, it was raining and windy, but apart from that we had such a good time. Went to so many different places, as you would have seen before. I'm just going to do a quick ending because obviously Neal and Nathan are sorting out the cars and swapping them over and getting all the stuff out to put in the house. I'm just going to say a quick, you know, the holiday's been really good. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. We appreciate all the love you're giving the channel and all the subscribers. We really hope you enjoy all the places that we show you. We hope you find it interesting. If you do really find it interesting, please give us a thumbs up on the video. That would be absolutely amazing. And we just love you guys. You guys are awesome. And if you're new to this channel and you do enjoy this video and you find it interesting, please subscribe to the channel and watch our older videos. It does show you all the other places we visited. All the food that we've tried. So yeah, I'm gonna sort of end it here so I can go help the others because they're kind of struggling. And once again, thank you for everything you've done for us, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.